Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and let me just tell you, I need you to do me a favor. Before you watch the rest of this video, I need you to go get your favorite drink. Mine's Diet Coke, yours might be a coffee or a latte or something else, and sit back and watch, because you know what? I am going to inspire you beyond belief. Here we go. Our Stamp a Die Hard Club set for this month is the Fun Gingerbread Fun, right? Fun, fun, fun. How many times can she say fun? I couldn't stop. You know, when I'm designing, I just go nuts, right? It just goes on and on and on. I finally have to cut myself off. But I also came out with this one as an add-on set. This one is called Gingerbread Snow Fun because it has a snowman. They are building a snowman. Now, of course, yes, you know the rules. It has dies that match. Now, all of these items, the first 24 hours they're on our website, are on flash sale. And if you're a club member, you can get in on the bundle and save an extra 5%. It's insane, you guys. Now, look at this. On here, I was able to add a couple extra arms and a couple extra carrots. Why do I do that? First of all, because I'm weird. No, really, seriously, it's because I have a tendency to lose little tiny dies. I don't know about you. Maybe you don't lose anything ever, right? I lose them all the time. If I have 3 little carrot noses, there's a better chance I'm going to have one in 3 years, right? So whenever I possibly can, I try to add extra little tiny, tiny pieces in there. So you have an extra just in case. Now, yes, there's all these cute little stamps, but I couldn't stop. I had to do some more phrases. So here we go. Merry and bright, gingerbread delight. Let's get baked. Isn't that funny? Warm hugs and winter wishes. Christmas calories don't count. That is true. Sweet holiday wishes and gingerbread spice and everything nice. That's what Christmas is made of. I love it. Now, we also are releasing, and I'd rather show you this die altogether because it's amazing, but I'll show you this, and it doesn't look like much when you look at words. Wishing you a sweet season. That is what the die set looks like. I also added in some extra candy canes because you can never have too many little candy canes. Am I right? Look how so sweet, so awesome. That is sweet, get it, pun intended. Then we released this die, and again, I want you to see the cutout because it's even more exciting. So here it is. It is holiday icons. Now, look at what it does. Isn't that fantastic? I absolutely love all the cute little guys in there. A little mitten, a little candy. There's some stars. There's a candy cane. So I had so much fun designing this one. So much fun. Because all of those little pieces die cut out. You're not putting in little tiny pieces. No. It cuts one piece. All those little pieces punch out. So awesome. And you can even make it a stencil. And one of our design team members did that. So I'll show you that in just a minute. Then, last but not least, because this one's amazing, it is a 5x7 gingerbread house. Now, this one is really fun because not only is it a 5x7 gingerbread house, but, and I don't know how I did this, I added a big candy cane. So that big candy cane can go by the door if you want to, flip it over so you can have 2. Oh my goodness, you're going to have so much fun. Now, here's the deal, you guys. I always know a set's going to be extremely popular when my design team sends in their samples and they don't stop. Look how many samples they sent me. This box is full, and I have some down here, and I already showed you some. This is why I said go get a drink so we can play. Here we go. Here is our jar folded as a snow globe. Isn't that adorable? Now, in the last video, I said, oh, you're going to want to get out your jar folded. A lot of you already have this one. If you try to buy it and you already have it, our computer will tell you. So you can just go find it, right? But look how cute it is. Right side up or upside down. It's awesome. It's a very popular folded. Look how cute those are. Okay, moving on because we got a lot to look at. So let's just look how cute that little snowman is. Yes, the snowman's in there. The hands are separate, you guys. So the hands are separate. Let me show you. The hands are separate. The hat is separate. And the mittens are separate and the carrot is separate. So you could put the carrot in their hands to make it look like they're putting it on the snowman, or you could put it on the snowman if you want to. Here's another one with her just dancing. Doesn't she just look like she's just dancing and so happy to be around? I love it. Ooh, Here's those, oh, Merry and Bright and the candy canes from that set, from the folded set. Love it. Look at this. Make your own background paper. Warm hugs and winter wishes. Sweet holiday wishes. Cute little guy with his little Santa hat on. I love it. Die cut with an oval behind him. Here's a cute one. I absolutely love this. Look at her. She's just like going like this. Hi, everyone. I just think it's so cute. Love that one. Then let's jump in and look at some more. Oh, here's another jar one, but using our club jar that we did a long time ago. Love this one. Look at the snowflake background on this one. Hello, friend. All those fun sprigs. Love it. Ooh, here's one. Just make your own background paper. I love it. Oh, look at this. It is a snow family. Is that just the cutest thing ever? Wouldn't that be a cute little Christmas card? I love that with the cute little trees in the back. Merry and Bright from our new stamp set now. Oh, here's a cute one on a 5x7 card base. Look at how fun that is. Aren't they adorable? I just love it. You guys, I honestly love them. Then let's look at that icon background. So this is from our Santa. I believe that's from last year. And look how cute that is. May your Christmas be what? Merry and Bright. Isn't that awesome? So those words are from the Christmas tree gatefold. Christmas tree gatefold. Here we go. Look at the icons here, made into a stencil. You can die cut it out of acetate and make it into a stencil. And look at that awesome background. Love it. Now let's look at those words because they are fun. Wishing you a sweet season in pink. Wishing you a sweet season in red. Love it. Let's see. Oh, or what about on a half gatefold? This is the Z fold, I think. Look at that. Open that up. Wishing you a sweet season. Those candy canes look perfect, don't they? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now, oh, and this is from our home to yours. Oh, isn't that sweet? I love that. That's so cute. Let's see. Yeah, this is the Z fold card without the little extra piece, but isn't that cute? Love that. Let's look at some more. You guys, I told you I had a ton. Here's some more. Oh, look at this. Oh, on a step fold. Almost all of you have this center step fold already. Get this die out. Put those two little guys on there. Throw that big die on top. The nice thing about this die, you guys, is look how large it is. It literally can be the front of your card and you can be almost done, right? Do it like this. Awesome. Do it on the inside. Awesome. You know, lots of options. Now, here we go. Let's look at our fold-its. First of all, wishing you a sweet season turned into a little tag. Imagine sending that and then look at this. For you from, can you imagine? If you sell at craft fairs, you have to do this one. You have to do this one. As a tag, put some little twine on there. Boom, you're going to sell that out. Now, this says, and who made this one? Yvette. Yvette knows me well because they're supposed to put on the back what else they use. But she even said, she wrote open for cards because she knows I would forget. So thank you, Yvette. You know I love you. We're going to open this up. She made a little box. Oh, wait, how do I open it? Hang on, let's see. Oh, here we go. Maybe. Oh, I hope it's not glued. There we go. It's a little tight, but we can get it. Ready? I don't want to, oh, are you ready? Dun, dun. Imagine making this as a gift for someone. This is insane, you guys. Look how cute this is. Oh, A1 cards inside. Happy holidays with the icon background. Happy holidays again with the icon background. Oops. And again, happy holidays. Green candy cane. I love that. Oh, the insides are even decorated, you guys. A1 cards are perfect. So seriously, you guys, you could sell this for so much money at a craft fair. You know the rules. This is the A1 box die set to make it a box. The A1 box die set. We sell all of these products. You make this, sell it at craft fairs, you're going to be a millionaire pretty soon. That is, and look at the front, you guys. Look at that. Amazing. Oh my gosh, might be my favorite this time. Okay, we have lots to look at over here. Let's look at some more in pink because Chris made it in pink. She knows I love my pink. Look how cute. Using the candy canes, this is exactly what I was thinking. We'd use them on the sides, right? Here's another one in almost like bright colors. How fun is that? Gingerbread hugs with a glitter paper and foil paper for that candy cane. Ooh, look at this one. I love that. Look how fun it is, you guys. It's you guys, you're gonna, oh, what in the world? What in the world? Open this up. Season's greetings. Season's greetings. Love it. Let's look at this one. Oh, look how cute that is. That door does not open, but look how sweet that is. Open it up. Glitter paper. Gingerbread spice and everything nice. That's what Christmas is made of. Make the snow out of our white powdered sugar felt. Right? I know. Okay, my friends. First 24 hours, all of these items I just showed you are on flash sale on our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you are not a club member, join the club first, because then you'll get your discount immediately on those items, and then you'll save even more. And if you're not in the club, you have to join ASAP, because look at what you're missing out on. My friends, thank you so much. I will see you again soon, and make sure you go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.